Okay, so welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create a simple express server. So this will be a demo class for just creating a basic express server. Okay, let's get started. Let's just create a directory to work our express server. Let's name it express tutorial. Okay, now let's go into this directory and let's initialize this directory with npm. So just press enter for the default settings. So yeah, entry point, let's go with index.js, and yeah, just press enter, or you can fill according to what you need, or just go with the default settings. Okay, now you can see there's a package.json file which has been created. Now let's install express. We just type npm install express. So this will install all the dependencies that express requires. Now as you can see, there's a node underscore models directory which has been created. In that directory you can find all the modules of express which will be required in the case of any dependencies. Okay, now let's write a file called index.js. Yeah, let's start creating our express server. I'll be using Visual Studio Code as my IDE. You can use any IDE you want, but personally I prefer Visual Studio Code because it's very helpful. So let's get started. So first let's get let's require the express what we have installed. This is how we do it in Node.js. It's basically like how you import anything from Python, or how you include any library from C or any Java or something like that, some other programming language like those. So now let's call the express function what we have given there. So this is how you initialize the express. So after this, suppose for example, for showing how it works, let's just go with writing a get request. So this will go to the root of your page. So this way you write Node.js asynchronous code, and this is the lambda this is the arrow functions in the Node.js, and you can see req, rec, and res. This is nothing but request and response, which we get from the client, and the server what we have to send it back to the client. So for this example, let's just write a message saying hello world. That's a popular thing apparently people do in the programming languages, when the first thing which you're going to print, right? Okay, now let's listen. We have to listen. It's a server, right? So we have to listen on some port. So let's go with port 3000. That's a popular development port apparently. Okay, so just for our sake, let's write this arrow function so that we'll come to know whether the server is started or not. Okay, normally the convention of writing a port is we actually do it like this. I'll explain you what does it mean. See, normally this environment variable process.env.port, actually when you deploy it to any production server, there you will not be having a choice to choose which port. So the system, the host system where you're hosting, that will choose your port. So otherwise it will be defaulted to 3000 here in our case. So we can just give this port variable what we have initialized. Yeah, so you may give semicolons or not, it's not compulsory in Node.js. I'm used to giving semicolons, it just looks neat. Okay, so now let's just run this node index.js. As you can see, server is started, and the port here is a local system, right? So the port will be defined as 3000. So we can just open our browser and go to localhost 3000, and there you can see hello world. So that's it, guys. That's how we create a basic express server. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you.